Ouais, je vais allumer quand même là. Voilà. Alors, bah là je sais ce que je dois putain de faire, c'est trouver l'enculé de prêteur sur gage et vendre tout mon business. À 19h ça commence à être galère là. Attends, est-ce que j'ai des indices là-dessus? Ouais, mon arme. Bah, de toute façon, je crois que j'ai mis ma putain d'arme en gage. Je l'ai mis en gage, ma putain d'arme. C'est où mon truc de thune? Payer. Comment je paye? J'ai pas trouvé la One Pins, ouais, j'avoue. Aujourd'hui, c'est pas con. Après 22h à la fin de la journée. Ok, j'ai encore un poil de temps. J'ai 3 heures pour me démerder. Comment je fais pour payer les dégâts? Ok, ça a foiré. Demande les gens. Putain, je dois 60 balles. Putain, ça me fait chier ma première partie. J'avais réussi à me barrer. J'ai qu'un point de talent. Ah, carte, on voit tous les trucs qu'on peut réutiliser. Ok, super intéressant. Après, j'ai quelques bouteilles à vendre, hein, mais. D'ailleurs, faut que je fasse attention, il y a des bouteilles qui sont très peu visibles. C'est pas lui là, prêteur sur gage? Ouais, je crois pas, mais.
A Samaran street vendor surrounded by the name Sile.
Happy shopping, officer. Everything's cool.
Je vais pas faire de remarques, ça va être raciste instantanément.
The place is cool. You're very cool. Bang, 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 bang. You're right, officer. 100%. No playing around then. Strictly business.
Ça, je vais être sympa avant de lui demander de l'argent, je lui demande de.
Who cares about the...
This man probably comes from Seaguy, sometimes known as the Apricot Suzerainty. Apricot Suzerainty calls to mind an era when the Seaguy archipelago was colonized by Revachol. It's a bit of a slur.
Very cool. I admire your awareness of our intertwined histories. It's super nice of you to apologize for colonialism, but the Apricot Suzerainty is a shithole. That's why I left. If you say so, officer, I don't worry too much about politics. I'm an entrepreneur.
Ok, bon, ça va, je l'ai pas vexé au moins.
Whatever's good for business.
Parce que là, j'étais à lui dire, putain, c'est super beau les mythes de diamants au Congo. Bon, bah, c'est leur gosse qui l'exploite. Hein.
Start with a little compliment,
nice.
Then work your way up.
Oh, okay. An investment? What kind of investment?
Ah ouais, mais là... Ah, qui m'y va pas aimer, hein.
I hear you, officer. What kind of a sum are we talking about here?
Putain, bah j'ai pas lui demandé un million de réal.
Sounds like a fair deal all around.
Ah, peut-être qu'avec un million de réal, j'aurais pu avoir 20 balles, mais...
Corruption.
Bah ouais, mais ouais.
It's just like bus or seagull. A kid watching out of a window describing things going by.
Oh, je gagne pas des points avec Kim. J'espère que j'aurai pas des jets à un moment avec Kim parce que putain... Là, je fais la merde, là. Et je pense que je l'ai insulté un moment en plus. J'espère que j'ai pas besoin de lui.
I've got sneakers, speakers, extremely. I'm an entrepreneur, officer. I've got sources. Good joke, officer. Here we don't have permits. Just economic
Pour aller de voir
freedom.
qu'il est en train de picoler comme moi. Putain, mais son putain de portrait correspond pas du tout à ça. Mais même son comportement correspond pas du tout à ça, genre. Et il a qu'un putain de pantalon cargo d'ailleurs, ça me fait marrer.
It's beautiful. Beautiful freedom.
It is, yes. Anyone can set...
That's right. No permits, no bureaucracy. That's why this city and it...
If you wanted to be cynical about it, you could say we are here to...
My man, officer, you make all this
Gossamer is a fine, filmy substance consisting of cobwebs spun by small spiders, seen especially in autumn. It's safe to say he's referring to the near absence of regulations.
Ouais, bon, ça c'est encore le truc communiste. De toute façon, on est déjà en train de faire le communiste. Je protège l'intérêt commercial des nations étrangères. Tu vas partir sur l'anarchie.
Yeah, that's the main thing about you. Freedom is great. It's what lets no need for discounts at ceilings, officer.
Oui, évidemment.
Everything's already.
But did he first mark them up 100%, just so that he could put them on sale?
Évidemment. Bon, ça on la connaît la strat. Hein.
My man, you know how the game is played. You and me, we anything for you.
Ok, donc c'était pas lui. Mais on a gagné 10 balles, écoute. On se rapproche de notre objectif. Et là, en termes de thunes, on a réussi à être efficace. Hein. Et il nous reste les bouteilles avant. Bon, à mon avis, les bouteilles, on en a pour... Je vais regarder. Est-ce que c'est marqué? 16 bouteilles. Bon, bah, du coup, 1,60 $. Je suis bon, hein. Il est où cet enculé de prêteur à gage, là? J'ai oublié dans où c'est qu'ils ont dit qu'il était. Non, ça c'est pas fouillé, c'est une discussion. Tiens, encore des putains de bouteilles. Oh, des gants. Vitrochimie classique. Affinité mécanique. Ni par l'essence de ma cabinet, ce méthane, bref, chauffe les mains, plutôt ça pour tout le confort. J'ai un peu l'air moins con, mais. J'ai plus de points en jaune, c'est ce que je me dis, quoi. Affinité mécanique, ça me semble intéressant quand même. Attends, rappelez-moi, c'est quoi l'affinité mécanique? Vider les poches. Ah, c'est quand même bien l'affinité mécanique. C'est de la souplesse, quoi. Rétaper un moteur cinéma, blablabla. Ah, j'aime bien l'affinité mécanique quand même. Je fais de tout lire, mais. Ok, encore une bouteille. On est en train de vider toutes les bouteilles. Là-bas, il y a un truc là. Oh, le prêteur sur gage, c'est bon. C'est bon, on va pouvoir payer notre putain de chambre d'hôtel. 60 balles, on rappelle. Hein. Oh, un nouveau île. Ça, c'est un classique aussi. Putain, j'ai oublié mon t-shirt de gros pédophile. Hein. Mercredi matin, jour 1. On est quel jour là?
Evening, officers.
A burly man hangs out by the waterlock, carving up a generous serving of salami with an old hunter's knife.
My friend Barry the Butcher is stuck on the other side of the waterlock. I'm keeping him company.
From the corner of your eye, you see a man in a yellow shirt
Ah là-bas, ouais,
and
j'ai vu.
grey overalls.
Ah oui,
waving
ok, j'ai
from
vu.
across the canal.
Very good stuff.
Il est en train de grailler.
Anything I can do for you, officer? I wasn't here to witness it, but those look like tire tracks on that. Too bad it also takes a year and a day to repair anything around here, especially a waterlock. The rest of the coast is closed. Well, there's the fishing village, an abandoned fish market, a bizarro church. Yeah, not really much else.
Pourquoi ça fait penser à quelque chose d'une église? Ah oui, parce qu'on cherche un son sur une église, c'est pas ça? L'église de Saint-Hervé ou je sais pas quelle connerie. J'invente un.
Sure thing. Want some too?
Why not?
Merde, putain, j'espérais un heal avec le sifflant.
A couple of indicator lights are missing from this control. This panel usually closes the waterlock, turning it into a bridge that lets you cross the canal. But there's a crashed samurai.
Bon, si jamais.
Pull the lever, nothing happens. Nothing happens. A spring brings the lever back to its original position. You still need to close. Wasn't there a sign over this?
Ouais, mais mercredi matin, c'est quand? Ah, ok. Jour 1, c'est lundi. Ok, c'est dans 2 jours. Bon, ok. Au moins, ça, c'est clair et net. Prêteur sur gage, on va se faire 960 balles. Oula, c'est ghetto ici.
It's not often that I see office. What can I do for you?
Oh putain, j'aurais dû save avant parce que j'ai un problème, c'est que j'ai peut-être vendu mon arme là.
His courtesy is not insincere, but he prefers being alone with his projector, just watching the movement of light across the walls of the shop.
C'est-à-dire quoi, il est défoncé?
I haven't had any problems myself.
Who are your customers?
All kinds of people come through here.
Des clochards.
Locals, travelers. As you can see, I have a wide selection of goods for everyone to choose from.
Putain, je vais me dire que je vais retrouver avec 20 balles alors que j'avais 1,60 jusqu'à midi, ça m'en fout. Hein. Folie. Oui, bah on repart en capitaliste là, alors qu'on est communiste.
It keeps me entertained.
Attends, 2 secondes, je save.
Hello again. How? Someone else came here earlier today asking the same
Oh, no.
question. I promptly saw.
This is a pawn shop, and it did. The lieutenant
Heureusement que j'ai de l'huile
shifts
de.
from
Heureusement
one
que c'était un
foot
dégât
to
moral.
another. Alert.
You were adamant about getting rid of it, officer. And I don't like keeping guns around the shop for long. She didn't seem like a policeman. Although she kept referring to herself as a truth be.
Right, so let me get this right. You sold your sidearm issued by the citizens' militia, and now a civilian is running around the streets of Martinez with it?
Ouais, c'est. Ouais. Ouais, c'est la merde.
In that case, she'll be happy to get a visit from us, if we can find her.
My apologies, officer.
A needle in a haystack. There is nothing you can do about it
Ok,
now.
donc ça c'est
You
le,
just have
le,
to
le
hope
type de phrase qu'on voit depuis le début du jeu en disant laisse filer, t'occupe pas de ça, te préoccupe pas de ça, y a pas de souci. Ça sera.
I doubt it, but I can try and answer it. I do my best to keep my distance from.
He doesn't know anything.
Ok.
Can't say I'm a huge admirer of Wild Pines. And I can't say I trust any silver tongue. What should I have for it? No, just people like that make everyone else see the world somewhat. He's been by the
Qui est
shop a
votre
couple
client?
of times.
There was something awfully deliberate about that laziness.
Mais je sais pas qui c'est.
They weren't the most pleasant interaction, but I bowed out at some point.
Un gros
I
bonnet.
prefer to what he tried. Wanted to come to some.
So you don't know what kind of arrangement?
As I said, I refused to talk to him. That's why he came back a second time. That's also why he purchased a remarkably garish paperweight the first time.
He nods reluctantly.
Ouais, c'est le truc classique d'acheter un petit truc histoire de dire tiens,
The
c'est
pawnbroker's
sympa ça.
gaze is already fixed on the dancing colors.
Sure thing.
Ouais, ok.
Sure, man.
Ouais, écoute, je flippe.
Okay, he definitely is high. Looking at his wares, talking to him.
Ok.
That might. As you turn, a bright light catches your eye, making you so. From a distant sunset, a stage light, flash photography, nowhere in particular. It's just what superstar law officers do.
C'est vrai que j'ai putain de forgé ma putain de légende.
You have. You're a big dick cop, Dick Mullen, Salem Rocky Baye, badass on the edge disco. With a
Allez,
sudden
hop, allez, hop.
flash, the world freezes around you, and you.
Ça va chier mon pote. Et dis-moi que j'ai un point de talent. Let's go. Allez hop. 1h10, putain c'est pas long. Putain, moins 2 logique. Heureusement c'est pas long hein. Avant tout, mettons les points sur les i. Personne ne vous considère comme une vraie superstar des groupes de la Coco, vérolée par l'hépatite C et qui tape la pause avec son micro. Vous n'êtes ni Guillaume le Million, ni David Lewis, ça on connaît pas, ça c'est sûr. Vous êtes une superstar métaphorique. Vous apportez votre passion et votre authenticité rock'n'roll. Dans un corps de métier où les gens ne s'attendent pas ou n'espèrent pas à le trouver. Ou selon certains, elle n'a pas sa place, la police. Allez vas-y c'est parti. Bon par contre on va se taper moins 2 de logique, ça c'est chiant. Bon, de toute façon la journée est bientôt finie donc...
You see rows of toy soldiers guarding the rest of the trinkets displayed on the table. Big men on big horses, clad in lamella armor and carried.
I used to be very serious about my friends.
Où c'est qu'on a vu les chevaliers
A long,
Faucon-Nijan?
time ago.
Ok c'est des
They're
Warhammer
not
quoi.
all blue. These figurines also wear gold coats and caps.
Which ones? Ah, those. Yes, they are.
This set of soldiers isn't meant to look impressive.
La Révolution.
A few have rifles, but
You're probably talking about the revolutionaries, yeah? I think their poverty has been exaggerated for effect. When you place them next to the royalists, it doesn't seem like they could possibly win. Okay, I don't like either set too much, to be honest.
why? What's this? A headless?
Oh, that's the Headless Phone Rider.
C'est Scipiolo?
The Headless Phone Rider. It's an urban legend
Un survêtement fan.
about a man who rides the 50 cents. Bargain price. I'll throw in the tiny cap too. I think he's looking for it. Did I
J'achète
mention that this
pour 50
figurine
centimes.
is supposed to be lucky?
La tête est pas fournie. Ok. Écoute, je garde. Hein. 50 centimes, c'était cadeau. De toute façon, il m'a dit il faut que j'amène des trucs pour voir qu'est-ce qu'il prend comme truc.
One especially catches
De toute
your
façon, j'aurai une
eye.
drogue qu'ils auront cher. Hein.
Deep gold and amber
En fait, moi,
plastic
je cherche pas à résoudre
with
l'enquête.
gold
Hein. Là,
amber
je suis en train de monter un
top.
business. Hein.
A
Je suis
classic
le pingouin, là. Je
boombox
suis en train de monter
that
un
says
nouveau trafic.
Stereo 8 approved.
Juste pour rembourser ma chambre d'hôtel. Hein.
Just make sure it works before you buy it.
Is the Harman Welsh W2 made in
Putain, il s'y
Vespa,
connaît.
designed in
12
Seoul,
réals.
plays
Bon,
all
on est d'accord,
reel
c'est
to
genre une
reel
bande
format,
radio.
2mm, 8mm. If police work means playing tapes, sure, absolutely. I've tested each one myself.
That's odd. Why doesn't he like music?
The stuff I record myself, silverware shaking in drawers as motor cars.
Maybe you should ditch music as well.
Oh, il est sombre, hein, ce fils de pute.
A typical Martinez streetlight sits among the light pole, has been carefully cut, and the wiring. This would make quite a statement.
Yes, officer.
His manner is casual, but his speech is careful.
It was brought to me.
We are not here to investigate the theft of city property. You have to admit it's rather clever what he's done with it.
C'est une lampe, quoi. C'est une lampe à comprendre, quoi.
700 real. A bargain, I dare say.
Mais, attends. 700 balles, ouais.
There's also the matter of rewiring, but the most important transformation is the light's placement among ordinary.
Oui, bon, t'inquiète, je pense que je les aurai.
Hello again. How can I help you?
Putain, mais attends, mais j'ai toujours pas compris ce qui lui arrivait parce que ce fils de pute, quand même, il vend des trucs à 700 balles, quoi. C'est normal?
Yes? What do you want to know? You mean like a brief? There's no 3 days
Ah, je
ago,
vais essayer de
during
voir le
that time. They didn't identify. There's a strong... Okay.
Merde.
No.
The lieutenant.
No.
The lieutenant.
No. The deceased is a security guard. I can assure nothing like that will happen. Do you know why not? No. Something...
The gesture resembles it so desperately. There's something the lieutenant isn't seeing.
Good.
C'était un meurtre. C'est déjà assez surnaturel.
Only banal things strike you. At the core.
Merde,
you should
putain.
be ashamed of. It's no one.
Putain, je suis en train de baiser mes soins.
Hello again. Let
Oh,
me
j'ai
have
quelque
a
chose à
look.
vendre. Je vais vendre mes fringues.
I'm
Hein.
not purchasing any more clothing at the moment. Oh, no. A photic path, counter radiance network,
Anti-magnétisme.
anti-mag.
You have absolutely no idea what I've.
Sambatti's summer dinghy rates is 31. What a pleasant time. So, what do you want to know? Price?
Mais ouais, mais
I can
3
give you
réals 20.
320 for it. A pin from 31 ought to be priced at 310, but I added another 10 cents just to be nice. Sure, I can keep it behind the counter for a week, but only if you pawn it right now. Sure thing. So, do you
Dis-moi si on
want
me
to
paye tout de
sell
suite.
anything?
Bah non, je veux que tu me donnes de la thune pour la broche.
Anything else you're thinking of selling?
Bon, on est d'accord, c'est en gage, je peux récupérer après. T'as 3,20€ pour une broche, je crois que je vais aller lui rendre, hein, parce que c'est une catastrophe. Hein. Ça, le mouchoir, je pense qu'on s'en bat les couilles. Mais de toute façon, il faut que je vende ça. Hein. Je vais pas vendre plus. Je pense que j'ai peut-être fait une connerie.
Anything else you're thinking of selling? Another time, perhaps.
Attends, mais dis-moi que je peux les récupérer, on est d'accord, c'est mettre en gage.
Hello again. How can I help you? Sure. Let me have a look.
Je crois que j'ai fait une connerie monumentale.
Samba. So, what do you want? Sure thing. So, anything else you're thinking of selling?
Ah non, mais là, les gars, je vais récupérer la save là. Pour moi, mettre en gage, je peux récupérer quoi. Allez, où était ma save, s'il vous plaît? Ouais, 10 minutes avant, c'est bon, on s'en bat les couilles. J'ai toujours mon item, hein, dis-moi. Oui, c'est bon. Non, parce que non, ça sent que... en gros, c'est une clé USB, donc...
You see rows of toy soldiers, a big men.
Ouais, je fais ça vite fait. Je fais ça vite fait, je fais ça vite fait, blablabla.
They're not.
Ta mère la
Which one?
pute.
This
Je passe
Look,
ta
I think
grand-mère.
their poverty has been
J'avais dit quoi?
exaggerated for effect. When,
Voilà, il a fait de
okay,
moi sa pute.
I don't like either side.
why
Ça, je l'avais
Oh, the
acheté.
head 50s.
he lost his cap.
Did I mention that this
Voilà.
figurine
Ça, je me suis aperçu que c'était un taré. Il vend ça à 700 balles, le malade mental.
We are
Comment
not
tu veux avoir
united.
700 balles? Je comprends même pas.
7A?
Ah, le fusil, j'ai pas envie de le vendre non plus. Je pense que c'est important d'avoir le
The
fusil.
boombox is on the
Ouais, j'ai pas envie de
shelf.
demander des
Look,
items.
one, just make sure it works before you buy it.
Is the harm if police absolutely
That's odd.
the stuff I
Maybe you should.
Non mais en vrai, notre rôle, je pense que je peux négocier avec Garp, hein, au moins une journée quoi. Parce que là, il se fout de ma gueule, j'aurais pas dû examiner le cadavre peut-être directement, je sais pas. Écoute, j'ai 20 balles Garp, je te file une 20 balles, ça va être le prix de la nuit d'hôtel, je pense. Écoute, on verra bien, j'espère que ton cul de prêteur sur le cage, il ferme pas trop tôt. Parce que c'est pas avec les bouteilles que je vais réussir à faire les 40 balles restantes, hein. Mais pourquoi j'arrive pas à courir des fois? Sans un, bon tu sais quoi, on va parler ce fils de pute.
A simple little cadence.
Putain, ça me
He
disait quelque chose en
seems
plus.
to be making it up as he goes.
C'était du... Comment il s'appelle le groupe hein?
From another planet. You sure are, my man. It's the jam, my man.
C'est Jam, man. Excuse-moi, comment il s'appelle Merde, comment il s'appelle Lorenzo. Excuse-moi Lorenzo. Bah man.
It's a traffic jam for the ages. Harbor gates up the street are shut tight. Meanwhile, we're all stuck here in long haul limbo for days upon days upon days.
Ferme ta gueule.
Days. Yeah,
It's official. He,
feels like forever. Like I was born on this here roundabout and this.
Mazout, is an antiquated term for heavy
Ouais,
fuel
ok, ouais,
oils.
ça je connais.
This man has a barely suppressed performative streak. Or he just likes unusual words.
Tu kiffes ton
Yeah,
style, ouais.
imagine. It's been a
My
whole
man.
week already. So tell me, what do you need?
Je suis un clochard, je demande des pièces à tout le monde. Allez, vas-y.
Huh? Oh, the bosses, man.
Je suis déjà un
Makes sense.
communiste, je sais autre chose.
It sucks, is what it does.
Merde, mais je suis con, lui aussi communiste.
It's like whatever's going on over at the docks. Workers got a blockade set up, make some pretty wild stuff, I hear. Like a giant new power crane and half. I've heard talk there's a company rep in town too. Like
Ah, yes, from the Wild Pines. We'll meet her soon enough.
they want to keep that money
C'est vrai
flowing
qu'il
in,
serait
my
temps
man.
que je la retrouve elle aussi.
He doesn't blame them, but he's not on this.
Anything else? Yeah, this ain't really my area of expertise. Us lorry drivers. Cam, your nurse. You still hang around here waiting for this mess to end. Most have scurried off somewhere to get drunk or high. Not my thing. Chasing transient pleasures is a drag these days.
He tries his best to look nonchalant, but there's a rigidity in him.
Oh, high-grade narcotics.
Relax. He's merely joking.
Ha! No, I'm joking, my man. Found runs a nice
Joking,
clean
my
business.
man.
This haul of cargo is they usually get shipped to Grad and the Occident. Though we've been making headway in the Il-Moran market lately. Not unless they've illegalized sports equipment while I was on the road. This rockin' beauty. Sure is. Like a
Que
rash
cette
you
merde
can't get
c'est
rid
à
of.
lui, c'est juste un putain de
You interested in
routier.
heavy-duty cargo machine?
A motor lorry, also called a camion, on Caillou and neighboring islands. This one looks roughed up enough to be some sort of found rust bucket.
Good eye, my man. Yup, she's an old
Putain,
one.
j'étais
But
bon. Là.
reliable. Me and her spent a long time
Pas
together.
de point d'XP malheureusement.
We're pals and all, but I can't just freely hand out the merchandise.
The man taps his fingers rhythmically and ease into it. Don't go too far. This seems like a personal matter.
Vieux, je veux connaître
You
votre trame.
really are the law, aren't you? I get that being bluntly observed.
Just like that, he slips out of your reach.
Ouais, peut-être que c'était pas le bon.
Wow, oh yes, you hustle. You're a provider. It's tough out there. Look at yourself. You're a human pedometer.
La Renaissance.
200,000. That is the sign of a hustler who never gives up. The world is harsh and people are evil. You didn't make it that way, and you won't let it break.
À la vie à la mort, mon gros.
You, that's just what it's like. Life and death. But you got gills on your side, baby. God, it ain't easy, but you do it. Day in and day out. You didn't make the rules, but you won't lose. You're a cop.
Eh ouais,
and
eh,
a
cet
sprinter.
enculé m'a donné 10
Can't
balles.
say that. You
Ça va
shook
presser
him.
comme un citron vu
You're
la
a
couleur de
killer.
peau qu'il avait. Pas
A
sûr que ce
shark.
soit le bon terme. Mais ok.
Sure. And has it been easy? Is life easy? Are you rich?
Non.
That's right. You work harder than anyone.
C'est à cause
You
de Gaps,
almost
fils de
rode
pute.
yourself to the grave and you're still practically
Il m'a
The
traumatisé.
Gart man has set himself up one of those self-replicating money structures.
Ouais,
You
mais.
should boo-hoo. The system is broken. The establishment is keeping me down. Look, the immigrants are cool. The immigrants play cool music. Everyone likes them, especially the women.
Ouais, c'est
Don't
vrai.
hate on
Attends, merde, c'était
immigrants.
raciste ça?
They've got nothing to do with you.
Ah, merde,
living
le con.
under a boat.
J'ai fait... J'ai fait un truc d'enculé de raciste. Les flics immigrés m'ont volé mon travail.
That's right, 100%. Fucking G-man's got his
Voilà,
jam
les
covered.
impôts.
Our taxes almost non-existent in the Gossamer state. That is
Voilà,
Russia.
là c'est bon. Ok, c'est pas le communisme, c'est le libéral. Là on est sur le libéral.
You and I both, but they got those indirect modes of
La
taxation.
TVA.
Sales tax, excise duty, extraction tax. 98% of all your money.
C'est honteux.
What are you not sure about? They're milking your nipples till they bleed. Can't you see? Aren't you sick and tired of having bloody nipples? Here you go, hustler. Fight the righteous
Allez, c'est
fight.
bon, je suis libéral maintenant. Je suis libéral et communiste, le truc qui existe pas. Putain, mais putain, c'est que des malus sur l'autorisation temporaire. Tout d'abord, c'est une idéologie délétère couvrant vous, ne panique pas. Lutter contre l'accession d'indirect pour la toile erratique est compatible avec n'importe quel credo. Ok, donc c'est compatible avec le communiste. Encore heureux, vous êtes à présent un anarchiste cool, à moins bien que sûr que vous ne vouliez pas être un anarchiste. On s'en cogne. Faudrait donc se gagne-pain dans votre orbite et voyons si on peut reprendre un peu d'amour à ces voleurs de douane et ces banditos du comité insulindien de concurrence et surveillance financière. Bien dit. Donc ça veut dire que dans ce monde on ne paye pas d'impôts, mais bon, il dit quand même les impôts c'est dégueulasse quoi. 20h, on a jusqu'à 22h hein, de ce que j'ai vu. De toute façon, je suppose que Kim va me dire à un moment, bon, on s'emmerde là quand même. J'aurais parlé à la gosse. Je peux aller voir ce qu'il y avait là-bas
Hello,
au fond
sir.
là-bas.
How is the investigation going? Found any? Oh, that's great. I hope.
Bon. Sauvegarde automatique. Je sais pas ce que ça veut dire. Sur mon bon signe.
This coin-operated viewer is facing southwest. Its coin slot is full of
Probably some kids.
a simple but clever solution to ruining a coin-operated. The metal fills a thick layer of graffito covers the lenses. That's Kuno on the lens. Under
Bon.
the graffito, a sea of
Commence
blues
à se faire
and
chier ce
grey
gosse, hein.
appear. Behind the water lies a coast studded with. You know this to be the star of Pericarnassus, or the Cairo. The central around the large wooden building, you see chunks.
Ah mais des fois les gars, il y a des termes pas obligés hein. Je comprends rien
This
genre.
coin-operated
me
viewer
fait mal à la
is
tête.
facing south. The instruction manual says
101,
to
25
insert
centimes.
25
C'est cher, hein.
centimes. And why place a tourist attraction in the middle of such?
There was a revitalization project in 49. A design studio tried restoring Martin. They got as far as the street lamps and the statue on that intersection. Then something went sour. I suspect that something was Everard Clare. the union leader. You muscle them out. It's how it usually goes around here.
Everett le... Ah ok, Everett Leclerc c'est le chef du syndicat, on l'a pas encore vu lui. C'est intéressant d'aller le voir. Attends. Ok.
That's odd. I could...
Your money disappears
Vas-y, balance
into the
ton
coin slot. The curtains on the
truc à
display
pigeon, mais
open.
on sait jamais.
You lean in to catch the view. It's the lenses shift. The ghost sharpens into an islet in the bay. It looks as if it was abandoned quite some time ago. Nothing but a rotten...
Really? I don't have the eyesight to...
Ok. Un îlot, où il y avait une espèce de mini base militaire, je sais pas quoi. Putain, j'ai le seum. J'ai le seum parce que là, je suis paralysé par... On va voir si, s'il est indifférent quand je lui tire une balle. C'est vrai qu'il est vraiment différent. Putain, j'ai le seum parce que sur ma première run, j'avais réussi à dodge les coups de Garp. Bon, ça se trouve, il m'aurait refait chier derrière. Hein, mais... Ok, encore du soin de... J'ai eu une série il y a pas longtemps, bon, on sait jamais. Je suis arrivé dans son dos.
Trying to sneak up on me.
Logic error.
Pigs come to take me out. Trying to snuff me out. Don't get fucking clever.
Ok, bon, écoute. Il m'emmerde, hein, c'est là. Hein. Encore pire que l'autre. Hein.
This is a wall on the side of an apartment building.
Tiens, je me pose une question. Est-ce que si j'ai la lampe torche, c'est un peu encore mieux?
Just an ordinary wall.
Non.
Nothing to see here. You have no clue.
Ok, bon, moi je sais que ce jet là, il est plus intéressant à faire de nuit. Tiens. Il va falloir un pied de biche, I guess. Oh. Pour te croiser un démo d'ab, c'est bien plus simple, il va tout le monde, même à vous. Et si vous vous retrouvez à refonter les vents marins à la proue d'un navire, vous passez un temps plus son épaisse. L'écho est pardonné quelques trucs et même les laisser. Suggestion, oui, mon capitaine, clair obscur pour imposant. Et c'est à la passe de celui-là. Au moins, ça cache mon truc filet de pêche dégueulasse, mais bon, ça me refait un. Ça me refait un malus, quoi. Je vais garder ma veste. C'est cette connasse qui me parle, là?
The streets will flow red once more. A great...
The streets will not flow red with anything.
I'm Cindy the fucking Skull. What else do you want to know? Date of birth, blood type, the last time I was tested for Hep C.
La loi, c'est moi.
Sod off, pigman. Art is above the law.
A brush, an artist. The red splatter is urban expressionism. The lieutenant is desperately searching for a handkerchief. Hatred, disgust. It's difficult to tell which of the woman on the boat.
That Ozon her. Someone's got to keep an eye on.
Ozon is an archipelago 2 days' travel away from Rivershore. Its moneyed residents used to posh restaurants and upscale boutiques.
Ah, c'est bon, on l'a enfin trouvé. Donc c'est ouais, c'est l'équivalent de Modako, quoi.
Yes, we should go talk to her. She's a professional negotiator, though. I have the feeling you should take the lead. Ask her unexpected questions, you know? Do your thing.
Ok.
Good idea, piggies. Run along now. Fuck her shit up good. And can't you tell? I haven't really started it yet. I'm waiting for the right words. Have you ever tried your hand at graffiti-o? When faced with a blank wall, we rarely see pigs round here, though. Just union cards. I'm a name. This place is severely lacking. I thought I'd mix it up. You know, summon the foot. Yeah?
Let's be realistic.
You heard your partner, Piggy. I'm
My bad.
unstoppable. I ain't no snitch, Pigstein. Go
Pigstein?
forth and forage in
Pigstein?
someone else's shit. No
Me mêle pas ça. Hein.
wheelers in these parts.
Actually, there is a shortage.
We weren't put on this earth to make what
On
your
va nous emmerde. Encore une casse-couille de merde. Je commence à être misogyne avec ce jeu. Peut-être je vais pas de mon pied de biche et ma lampe torche. Hein. Ça, j'ai pas l'air d'un gros taré, ça. Plus mon truc de pédophile. Ok, bah en termes de points de heal, je suis tranquille. Ok, la représentation. Bon, j'aurais peut-être pu éviter de lui mettre les feux dans la gueule.
Good evening, officers. Joyce L. Messier. I represent the board of Wild Pines, the owners of the harbour. You gentlemen must be from the RCM. Baton, my maiden name.
C'est intéressant qu'il garde son nom de jeune fille. En général, ça veut dire que sa famille est très importante. Donc elle était très très riche de base.
I meant you, the Revachol Citizens Militia.
Oui,
the police. Nothing, honestly. I've said it to every drunk in town.
Relax. She meant it in jest.
Autant laisser
I'm
la
glad
main.
to see you here.
Like steel. There is strength there.
I was dispatched to handle a strike, not a lynching. Anything I can...
That is good to hear, madame. My colleague will take the lead on this interview. I should let you know that
There's a trace of irony in
How interesting.
Ouais, j'aimerais bien qu'il me fasse confiance sur le
I
pote
wish you
Kim.
a swift
Je fais de mon mieux,
recovery.
hein.
In the meanwhile, you have my full cooperation, and the full cooperation of the Wild Pines Group.
Yeah.
Why, yes I am.
Je suis un détective. Hein.
Of course there are. We're on an archipelago. How else are you supposed to get around?
Bah, tu fais pas, tu restes dans ta merde bah, comme un gros con.
Yes, we are.
Technically, the neighboring Ozone and Fas Alamer island groups are archipelagos, while Lakayu, by contrast, is
Okay, if you want to get technical, the point is we're all on islands here, and sail is still the most expedient way to get from one island to another, especially when you're in a hurry to resolve a strike.
Ouais, je vois ce que l'encyclopédie a voulu dire en gros, c'est que bon bah c'est l'Europe, on peut considérer ça comme une île aussi quoi, c'est pas une île quoi.
I haven't seen anyone else drive a souped-up.
Actually, that motor carriage has been specially issued. It's for crossing long distances in a greater...
Neither is this. A toy, I mean. It's a machine for crossing long distance.
you need to make this lady admit she's only riding around on this boat because why what? Stop thinking. Take her down.
Ça me donne l'impression d'être à jour. Hein. Vu que ça c'est une réponse que Matt aurait pu servir. Allez, j'avance.
Before you do, it might be pertinent to ask a few more questions. Learn whatever you can about this boat.
Okay.
The boat? No. It is called... It's a pleasure craft. A 19-pacer. It also happens to be rated for Category 1
C'est
racing.
pas de la grosse merde quoi.
My sloop? I like it a lot.
I'm enjoying this part of the interview.
I really do. the
Kim, tu nous
lieutenant
emmerdes.
thinks. Is she
Laisse-moi
thrown
discuter.
off yet? He's looking at the woman.
Eh, tu m'as dit balance tout ce que t'as. Je balance tout ce que j'ai mon gars. J'ai essayé de la déstabiliser, je raconte que de la merde.
Officer, I assure you,
The crowns of her teeth are porcelain. White. Her nonchalance might be related to something called the Wayfarer Act. A law that says
Okay,
she
donc,
doesn't need a license. Sly fox.
Elle a fait du
You're not
droit quoi.
aggressive enough to harass.
oh my, the E word. You mean to say that it's a symbol of conspicuous consumption? That I'm a member of the ruling club?
Detective, may I remind you that Mrs. Messier is a
Then what does that say? Does it say docking 33A? This old proletarian haunt here? As I said, plenty of people drive boats, of all social strata.
Je le tente un cotin, j'ai fait pas mal de trucs.
Your synapses flash.
Merci. Évidemment, la révolution ça a pas touché ton quartier de riche, sale pute.
Okay, it is anti-centennial. I assure you they drove quite a hard... I am a bourgeois woman, and this is my fast, lightweight,
Merci de
internal
l'admettre.
good. What we do. I'm a...
There was a touch of discomfort there. She wants to merely represent.
The
Okay.
Pines' core competency is logistics. Container shipping, freight, that sort of thing. And that is the terminal. Another subdivision deals with energy, oil and gas exploration, offshore platforms.
Ok, c'est Amazon, mais gros.
The Wild Pines Group is one of the original
Indo-tribus.
Revacholian Indo-tribes. Companies awarded royal monopolies by the king, the suzerain himself.
Ouais, on se
Son
dit.
Baptiste, LUM, an unknown entity known as Brightest Star.
Why, thank you. I'm not at liberty to discuss the company balance sheet, but I can tell you that last year, the company booked more than 20 billion real in revenue.
Ça paraît pas mal. Hein.
Yes, past a certain point, numbers begin to seem imaginary. A conglomerate the size of Wild Pines is like a shark. If it stops moving and growing, it will die. Then what they started as an exploration and cargo fleet conducting trade between the Samaran, and centuries of care, deliberation and madness have gone into this endeavor. Vessels pass through the great unrest to re-emerge with apricots in tow.
C'est vrai qu'un monopole royal, c'est que je pense que ça aide. C'est bon, il y a peut-être un effort derrière, mais quand même.
You know more than you let on. Certainly it helped, but most of the original Indo tribes have failed or been absorbed. To survive, Wild Pines had to grow
Oui, mais bon, c'est... Putain, mais on dirait que t'es en train de défendre Elon Musk, là, en fait. Qui a commencé avec je sais pas combien de milliards, en fait. Donc, va te faire enculer. Il s'est pas construit tout seul, non plus. Faut avoir des discours un peu différents.
You mean aside from being the terminal's legal owners, who are responsible for moving 8% of the world's cargo?
Ah, je m'attendais presque à plus. Hein. Ah, voilà, ça c'est bien dit.
We built this district.
We. There it is.
All the best parts of it. Rue de Saint-Ghislain, with its bastions. The plazas, Meteor and Mose. Before Martinez was swallowed by the industrial harbour, even before it was part a company getaway, for a weekend or a summer holiday. Then came the revolution.
With your help, hopefully, says her warm tone.
Ça dépend, tu... Ouais, mais putain, je peux pas prendre parti. Là, j'avoue, c'est... Il m'a parlé de corruption tout à l'heure, Kim, par rapport à l'asiatique qui m'a donné 10 balles. Mais là, si je lui demande de l'argent pour me payer mon chambre d'hôtel, là, je suis complètement appliqué. Je suis foutu, en fait.
Everything. Right up to, but not including, trade secrets. First, you'd have to repeal the Emergencies Act of Trade in Aliments that gives me the right to silence. It's quite the octopus. Good luck is only kept in place by the vested in...
What the man means is that the Emergencies Act and the RCM...
You'd be shooting yourself in the foot, in other words.
Ok, donc je suis obligé de révéler des trucs sur la
But
MCR.
I am derailing us. You wanted to know about the... I believe the official title is Senior Labour Negotiator. In practice, I'm a group...
No way. She's more.
And how are the talks going?
They're not. That's the problem. The union
Donc elle
stopped
essaie de
all
se minimiser alors
negotiations
qu'elle est quand même...
after that
Elle a
awful
quand même un
breaching
très gros poids dans la société, quoi.
Now they won't even let me into the harbour. There's a 2-meter-20 racist behemoth. What can I say? The union employs a giant covered in tattoos. A racist. Let's say I was not...
And when did you...
I arrived 3 weeks ago. Yes, in the middle of February. The bay was still...
But the strike began in December.
I wasn't the original negotiator here. I took over after Mr. Gaumont hit a wall with Mr. Clare, the union boss.
This isn't the first time the union...
Heavens no. There have been 2 prior strikes. Both times the union won significant concessions, including overtime pay and a
Je pense
medical
pas que
plan.
ce soit très déconnant quand même, hein, couverture médicale, heures supplémentaires.
Ludicrous even. It's meant.
Voire ridicule. C'est quoi les nouveaux demandes? Parce que si c'est bon, si c'est avoir des jours fériés, ça devrait aller quand même.
Mr. Clare told him to fuck off, midget. Gaumont is short of stature, you see. Keep in mind, this is a negotiator Mr. Clare has worked with before, and who was more than fair with him and the union.
Ok, donc il a trop montré son cul.
There are leaflets everywhere. Every worker.
Most of the workers probably don't know what that means.
Fortunately, they explained it.
Every time the Wild Pines group makes a decision about anything, it needs the signature of each of the 2,000. Just so you understand, this is but one of 22 terminals owned by Wild Pines. Essentially, not only are they king...
An opening gambit, surely.
That may well be. It's not up to me to decide who is king, but as negotiations go, it's not a swell start, so I hoped. But this type
Donc
of
il
opening
exigerait
is usually followed
qu'il
by a
signe
more
toute décision de
reasonable
Wild
offer.
Pine alors
I've yet
que
to hear one.
il sait que
Just the
2200
same
sur
nonsensical slogan
un
repeated over and over again.
sur un capital de 72 000 de ce que je comprends de travailleurs.
And now,
J'avoue que là bon,
people are getting lynched,
autant
I hear.
avoir
Behind the whirling in rags. A disastrous situation if
en
there
fait ils ont
ever
sauté
was
un peu
one.
trop d'étapes, pourquoi pas, mais ils ont sauté un peu trop d'étapes quand même quoi. Là c'est carrément bon bah vendez-nous l'entreprise en fait.
Excuse me, from whom did you hear?
I first heard it from the boyar at the gates, the one whose very name advertises his...
No, wait. The chief negotiator heard it from a man at the gates. Surely the Wild Pines group has more effective
Ouais mais elle
channels
veut
of
pas m'en parler
information.
de toute façon.
After all, 2,200.
The scabs? You mean the huddled masses of jam? If they were organized by Wild Pines or its affiliates, then it would be a company secret.
Ah les casseurs de
I could
grève.
not share it with you.
Ça on connaît ça.
It's implied she's open to discussing this matter with you at a later occasion.
Casseurs de grève, ça on connaît, ouais, les petites magouilles où oh, le mec il a jamais travaillé dans l'entreprise, il dit bah, moi je veux travailler, je veux remplir le truc. Bon, payer 2 fois plus évidemment, mais c'est même pas des travailleurs qui étaient là avant quoi. Putain là on est sur de la politique. Oh putain si j'étais pas ready pour ça hein.
Everard
Monsieur Claire, je t'ai
Clare
pas
is a
encore croisé,
man
j'avoue.
of the utmost integrity.
She's being sarcastic. Don't take her performance literally.
Of course not. Everard is fantastically corrupt. I imagine he has a thick, viscous goo where you and I have... He is the most corrupt individual I have ever seen, and I deal with men like him for a living. If there... Yes, Edgar looks exactly like his brother, except for that lazy eye. He also is how they circumvent the term limits, you see, with a funny little switcheroo. While in office, they've embezzled God
C'est de la
knows
mafia,
how
quoi.
much of their workers' dues. The Debardeurs Union was once a perfectly normal institution. 20 years ago, anyway. Organised labour at its best, as they say. Then something happened in the local chapter.
A mob. The Debardeurs are a crime syndicate. Sad as it may be.
Refreshingly honest, officer. The company has tried appeasing in the past, but I'm afraid our concessions have only emboldened. And your opinion, detective, if I may ask?
Donc en gros
I'm a
le...
curious and talkative person, you see. Would you say the
Après, tu vois,
Debardeurs
des-
Union is...
Il leur a promis quoi des heures supplémentaires et une couverture médicale, c'est pas déconnant, tu vois. Mais peut-être qu'il a cédé trop vite. On est à une époque un peu bizarre quand même. Hein, donc les mecs se sont peut-être enradis en disant ah, on peut peut-être exiger un peu plus. Et sachant que bah ils obtenaient ces droits, le syndicat, etc. Ils se sont dit même si c'est des mafieux qui nous piquent des fonds littéralement, ils ont quand même fait un peu mieux pour nous quoi. Mafia communiste. Hein.
Thank you for being candid. Sadly, Wild Pines have cooperated with what amounts to a crime
Il parlait du syndicat.
syndicate for 2
Syndicat.
decades.
Ouais, mais non, c'est à cause
However
du
much you
dirigeant que
feed the wolf,
c'est
the
devenu
wolf always
une
hungers.
mafia, mais un mob.
I'm glad you asked.
Putain, j'aimerais bien
There
voir
was
Matt
a woman,
jouer à le jeu. Hein.
The previous forewoman of the union.
Disappear.
Yes. On the last day of the local chapter elections, her daughter phoned in and said she wasn't running anymore.
Attends,
or
quoi, j'ai pas
coming to
suivi.
work. Ever.
Les élections.
End of story.
Il y avait une femme passant quand on reste du syndicat, elle a disparu. Ouais, ça sent les grosses menaces.
Indeed. The companies, the point of the presentation is, these kind...
Thank you for your concern, man. We'll be just fine.
Of course.
Oh
How
la
else?
vache, putain,
Quite a
j'en
few
ai des trucs à lui
things, I'm
dire.
afraid.
21h11.
The information I'm to share with you includes sensitive trade secrets. For the sake of my...
Of course.
Ah
We
merde.
should have introduced ourselves. I am Lieutenant Kitsuragi from Precinct 50, and this is my colleague from Precinct 41. I'm a...
How curious. Why is that, Detective?
J'ai pas de...
It was stolen by some artist, surely. Best to pin the blame on them. Everyone knows you can't trust. Everyone knows you can't trust artists. They're nearly as bad as clowns.
Bah écoute, on
You
est que
mean
des
someone
artistes.
stole your badge? I don't, in fact. I'm afraid what I need to tell you is wholly unrelated to art.
Unbelievable, sire. Even the
Mais
performance
art dramatique,
artists
fils de pute, je te faisais confiance.
work.
Fils de pute. Il s'est foutu de ma gueule.
I see. So, are you saying you lost your badge during the course of this episode?
Putain, j'ai pas envie de... Est-ce que je dois dire la vérité là? Est-ce que je me fous pas dans la merde là? Attends, vas-y, je vais dire la vérité.
Dear.
Je vais pas confiance à cette pute quand même. Mais... Parce que
Some
le
kind
problème
of
c'est qu'elle représente un
encephalopathic
camp et j'ai pas envie de
amnesia.
prendre parti. Je suis
I
un
don't
flic.
even know how to respond. I do believe you, naive as that may
Alors je
sound.
me doute de ce jeu de
I
taré,
simply
tu peux
can't
prendre un
imagine
camp.
what you gain by faking such a condition.
Mais je vais essayer d'être un bon flic quand même.
As I said, ma'am, his technique may be very...
Of course, I sympathize, but I'm a...
She's a professional negotiator. She should be open to some sort of mutually beneficial arrangement. Feelings will guide the
Je
way.
méritais, j'avais réussi le dernier à 58. Bon, je méritais. Bon, faut que je retrouve mon insigne.
I assure you, it is no small matter for me either. We all share the responsibility for disarming this situation. I hope you have a bad... Trust me, officer, I am fully committed to resolving this impasse. This isn't some...
She's silent. The wind flaps the sail above her.
Putain, heureusement que j'ai du heal.
You know, I don't mean to sound cold, but if you want...
You're doing it, despite your own best.
I'll be frank with you.
Putain, mais
If
le
I'm
problème
going
c'est
to
que ma
break
seule
protocol,
stratégie dans le jeu,
I need
c'est
to
de
be able
paraître
to
pathétique.
justify it to my superiors. They're going to want to see the Union is conducting drug trade out of the harbour. It's an open door. You can find your badge, which honestly seems like a lost cause.
Detective, a word in private before we can...
Ah, attends,
It's
j'ai...
clear you like the hard stuff, Bruta. Lower intestine? The term fascism, Bruta.
Oula, mais aussi que j'ai fait des trucs de fasciste.
Many things, but it's mostly about trusting your gut. Who does your gut?
Putain, mais quand est-ce que j'ai dit des trucs de fasciste? Bah, j'ai les financés.
Yes, women. Women, men of war. You don't like them. They're insane. That's what fascism boils
Non,
down to.
le fascisme,
The
c'est
rest
pas
is
ça du tout.
also important. But the main thing is that women need to know their place.
Mais c'est pas ça du tout, mais en plus je suis féministe.
Feminist? No, it can't be. Stomach truth. You're having a stomach because you've said the hard things that others won't say. The good things, you've said them many times.
Bah ouais.
Who cares? That sounds much better.
Mais non, mais c'est même pas traditionnaliste là, tu parles vraiment juste d'un incel.
You're going to keep your views, right? Keep your views, Brota. For the nation, smart. Best not to mention the women.
Mais on dirait les femmes qui mettent un astérix au mot homme hein,
I am the stomach.
sur Twitter. Hein. Mais ouais, c'est ça, le fascisme c'est un industrie politique nationaliste, c'est pas les femmes.
Of course you are, Bruta. Of course.
Il faudrait dire que juste que les fascistes c'est juste des misogynes. Ok, Ok, je suis devenu un vrai communiste.
0.000% of communism has been built. Evil, child-murdering billionaires still rule the world with a shit-eating grin. All he has managed to do is make himself sad. He is starting to suspect Krasmazov fucked him over, personally, with his socio-economic theory. It has, however, made him into a very smart boy. with something like a university degree in truth. Instead of building communism, he now builds a precise model of this
C'est vrai, putain.
duplicitous world.
Oula! Les répliques gauchistes donnent plus 4 XP. Putain, mais j'ai que des malus. Un voix communiste opprimé, ça réagit de partout. Fais chier. Après, ça me donne. Attends, ça me donne combien, tu m'as dit? 4 XP. 4 XP, c'est pas beaucoup. Hein. Il me faut 100 XP pour avoir un point de talent. Ça, d'ailleurs, ça augmente pas exponentiellement pour le coup. 9 heures pour. Ils ont bousillé cet endroit, Revachol est en ruine, les Koshko, les Permators et leurs singeries de pygmées du désert, ils ont tous saccagé. Non mais ok, mais c'est raciste là. Les usuriers Vespéens, hein. Bon, on se demande c'est de qui ils parlent. Tous les socialistes, en particulier les femmes et l'équipe, vous n'avez qu'une vague idée de ce que ça signifie, mais qu'un état fort de t'ériger avec ses ruines si on tient à en avoir un avenir. Les contours flous de cet état commencent à prendre forme chaque fois que vous fermez les yeux. 9 heures, sa mère la pute. Par contre, pas convaincu par le communiste quand même. Hein. 4 XP, c'est pas beaucoup en plus. Et il faudrait que je balance tout le temps des trucs de gauchistes quoi. Pas de communistes, pardon. Ah, et oui, c'est vrai qu'il voulait me parler cet enfoiré.
Honestly, I was expecting you to use your unorthodox technique to keep her off balance, and you know, not volunteer. This woman is running circles around us. She might have known about your misplaced badge or...
Maybe this is all her plan. She might have heard about you.
Ah oui, elle me propose... Ok.
I wouldn't go that far. Her reaction did come off as sincere to me. No. If there is reasonable suspicion, we must investigate. Otherwise, she could... What I propose is, we ask her, then we investigate. Briefly. But do not share the outcome of this... Oh, that would be fantastic, but do we have the time?
The situation might have changed drastically.
You could request a new one from the station, but that would literally take more.
Ouais, donc ça c'est pas la peine.
You're back. Good. What can I help you with? It's quite straightforward. Someone is using Terminal B to smuggle raw ingredients from the...
Ingredients for...
Meth and dextroamphetamine, GBL and various synthetic psychedelics. Honestly, it might be quicker to say what you can't make from the stuff. Yes. After they clear the terminal, we lose track.
Wild Pine seems to be well apprised of the local drug trade, ma'am.
We're in logistics. It's our business to know. And no. As far as the company knows, yes, but you won't get anything out of Evrat and the dock workers, you...
The handoff. The motor lorries at the roundabout.
Precisely. Someone needs to move the ingredients from the harbour into...
How convenient that they're stranded like beached whales.
Perhaps you've noticed that a number of lorries are tangled in a traffic jam at the roundabout just now. Interview the drivers who are still hanging about. One of them might be waiting for a crucial shipment. I'll be explicit. If
uncovering Union secrets could also give you an upper hand when dealing.
Ça peut être intéressant pour moi. Et ce que Kim m'a dit, c'est d'enquêter, lui dire les très grandes lignes, mais pas lui révéler vraiment les détails très précis. Parce que c'est vrai que pour eux c'est très intéressant, tu vois, s'ils peuvent dire ah bah vous regardez, vous êtes dirigé par une mafia, ils servent de vous pour transporter de la drogue en fait. Mais le problème c'est que je vais rentrer un peu trop sérieux alors que je veux pas prendre parti.
We did. On more than one occasion.
We know the company has launched its own probe into the union's alleged involvement.
Well, here's your chance, officers. No. We asked East Motor Track to raise the drawbridge. The road This is a limited time opportunity. Once the complaint has been processed by thousands of liters of raw ingredients will pour onto the streets of Revachol. Not the east across the river, but the west. The vulnerable. The weird.
Well,
de l'argent.
This solves one mystery.
Ouais, évidemment, ils vont cacher la drogue. Hein.
What is...
Why I had to call East Motor Track and beg them to open a drawbridge for me.
I am sorry for the inconvenience, Lieutenant Kisaragi, but we need them trapped. How do you think they're financing this strike? There are thousands of...
There was a shakedown of local businesses preceding the strike. Many worse creatures.
With all due respect to these desert cacti, the contents of a few cash registers cannot provide for 2,000 men. Precisely. Smuggled out of that very gate at night, most likely, then loaded onto lorries and driven to Jamrock. You simply need to find one driver who will open up to you.
Est-ce que je dois le dire ça? Ouais,
The
écoute, on va le dire.
two,
Or not. Though, if you.
as eager as
Ok,
I am to
Kim n'en
share
prend pas
it,
trop en bras, donc
Lieutenant,
ça c'est
once the
ok.
job is done. Yes? Excellent. According to my reports, it may come to nothing, or it may just blow the case wide open.
Quelques
I
jours au
can
moins.
keep the in the
Ça va.
meantime, let me know if there's any other way I may be of assistance.
Honnêtement, en termes de... Là, on a fait un jour, je trouve qu'on a fait pas mal de trucs quand même. On n'a pas encore parlé à Evratre ou Francis Evratre, je sais plus, c'est Claire Evratre, je sais plus comment il s'appelle. Tiens, oui, ça je vais demander.
That's the man who was killed. I'm afraid this is a
Voilà,
discussion
va te
for
faire
once we've
enculer.
cleared the
Oui,
lynching
bah quand
question.
le jeu sera fini aussi.
Better not tie the fourth day to the bat's day on this. I hope there is something else I can help you with.
Tiens.
Is what you want to say, but look at that lady. Take a gander.
Ils sont
A
beaux, c'est chaud.
well-kempt, yet tastefully short bob
Le
of dark
taré, hein.
hair. Despite the first hints of grey, she's elected to keep positively statuesque, while dull orange pearls hang from her earlobe. These are the kind eyes of the rich man within reason. Now look at you. You
Espèce de
misery-clad
simien.
simian.
Heureusement que j'ai la bonne
Barely
couleur
able
de
to tie
peau
your
parce
own
que...
laces. Your armpits are lakes. You're poor. Poor as balls.
T'es raide comme ta
You can't
bite,
ask this
vite comme tes
person for
couilles.
money. You're too.
C'est une femme et je suis un homme.
Yes. You're too ashamed to ask this person for money.
As I was saying, if there's any way I may be of assistance, please don't hesitate to
Oh.
ask.
Cette action dire... Ouais, c'est con, ouais, c'est vrai que... Vous savez à propos des milliards. C'est vraiment, j'ai de... Putain, mais je suis con, c'est à cause des trucs que j'ai emmagasinés, genre. Oh, allez.
I am sorry. It's just surprisingly eloquent, really. The last one, not the first three. Those are ape speak.
Écoute, autant...
My. Why, that's garbage. You're a police officer. Shall we talk about something else, maybe?
J'ai fait au mieux, j'essaie de limiter la casse.
This.
Yes, an experimental side case.
Putain, il est bientôt 22h, j'ai pas mis de thunes.
How truly curious. A sort of philosopher detective.
Are they now?
A deep synthesis.
All right, we're in. I know these all look good, but begin with the first, okay?
We're in Martinez, baby. A casual term of endearment popular among the 50-plus crowd. It's a
C'est vrai que je suis un mec
disco
disco. Hein.
She refers to your corresponding ages.
Ok, donc je vais vers 50 ans. Je pense que j'aurais presque... Ouais, non, je vais vers 50 ans.
Martinez is a district of Revachol. A very small district. You would be
Je veux dire que c'est de
excused for
l'alcool
not
qui m'a
knowing
fait
about
paraître
it.
50 ans, mais là on dirait que j'en ai
Unimportant, they
80 ans.
say. Forgotten even. Shelled to smithereens during the revolution. It has its charms, just not this. I'm not a good ambassador. I've only been here once before, as a teenager.
Regarde. Ouais. Putain, j'ai pas fait gaffe, mais je suis vraiment habillé comme Potatoes aujourd'hui. Je sais pas ce que j'ai. Ouais.
As I told you, Martinez used to be a province, a workers' resort before the city swallowed
c'est
it
qu'il y a
and
une
the artillery
révolution.
did its part. Now the
C'est quelque chose de
route
très
to the real
industriel.
star of the show here. The further down the it's not really a sea, it's the Bay of Yes. We're on an island in an ocean.
Known to the early Revacholians as Les Immensités Bleues, the Blue Immensities.
Caillou, as you already know. Imagine a pebble. A smoothed over pebble amidst a great blue...
It is clear this pebble and to humanity at large.
Revachol? the great kind. History detective. They built this city to resolve history. Our part, the nations of the Occident, or migrant workers from Seminine and Ile Marat, depend in the DeLorean century. 380 years ago.
Quand même quelque chose d'assez récent quoi.
They say it's where the terrible
Moins que l'histoire des
questions of our
États-Unis.
time will be
Petite
answered.
pique.
The tensions are highest, the fault lines deepest. By that I mean, we are standing on a fertile, self-sufficient island able to sustain up to 200 million people in the middle of the Insulindic Ocean, the world's connective tissue. It's where the money is. Oh, we're quite a way off. 22 kilometers from the center of the world.
C'est beaucoup
That
quand même.
soldering iron is the bank of the world built.
Silence. The water. The light. It's as though you're seeing it for the first time. She observes your eyes, scanning the horizon. This is one thought you need.
Was there something else you wanted to know?
Ok, il existe que je le termine.
About a lowdown.
This has been informative. Thank you, man.
Putain, mais je sais pas pourquoi j'ai développé
I'm
du
sure
fascisme,
my
les gars,
memory
je
in
pensais pas avoir dit des
Grandpa has
dingueries.
many more questions to ask. About even more. Might I suggest not asking them all right now?
Absolutely.
Ouais, c'est vrai que j'en ai rien qui
here
s'égale.
is long term.
Oh, of course not. You are already diligent for getting this far. And diligent boys remember where they left off.
Ok.
Indeed. I'm always at your service.
Ok, tu sais quoi, je
Proud
reviendrai.
to have been of course.
Indirect modes of taxation.
Donc ça c'est le libéralisme.
Turns out those financial oversight committee gangsters stuffed millions
No.
of hard-earned dividends away in the last place anyone thought to look. The hearts and minds of
Putain.
everyday Rivisholians. You
Les
need
taxes
to
sont
spread
racistes.
that
Mais
deregulation gospel
je
to
le
the
dis
people.
depuis le début.
Tell them about that foreign fair tax. Preach that 98% gross burden. Preach it, preacher man. Set the brothers free.
Les choix de dialogue
Taxes
ultra rebel,
are racist.
autant un réel c'est beaucoup non? Attends mais un réel c'est une folie non? Merde j'ai plus de points pour faire à jamais vu. Putain j'ai ça à faire aussi. Oh merde. Putain, mais au fait je me plaignais que j'en avais pas. Bon il est 22 h les gars. Je fais comment là? Ah il veut me parler fils de pute. J'ai pas vu.
We should think about calling it a day, maybe. Nights are still miserably cold this time of year.
Bah ouais.
We should take care of that then. Let's talk to him anyway. Enough is...
Oh pitié que ça passe hein. Petite save. S'il te plaît gros, juste une journée gros. 20 balles je te jure je te les ai demain les 60. Même si ça devient 80 demain, je te les aurai je pense. Là l'examen du cadavre ça a pris du temps quoi. C'est comme ça je termine la VOD sur la fin du premier jour, c'est un classique. Là des fois c'est compliqué quand même hein. Il y a... Là la meuf là, oh du dialogue hein. Et vu que c'est un monde totalement fictif, si c'était encore un monde, si on est encore dans un contexte réaliste, mais pas du tout. Hein. Là on est dans un espèce d'archipel tout... C'est vraiment très différent quoi. Tiens attends, il y a un truc. Allez pitié Garp, arrête j'en ai marre d'être ta pute en fait Garp. Il faut que tu le comprennes ça. Oh putain il y a du monde. Ils s'emmerdent pas les commandes de bouteilles sur la table?
Can I help you? Yes, have you got it? Does that arrangement include you paying me what we already agreed you owe me? As a police officer, you must understand that by evidence being money, you can't stay here without money. Good luck trying to use it.
Draconian measures.
All the locks have an electronic component. They have to be unlocked down here with a master key before your guest key will open. Oh, wonderful. Try to do that. Not until you bring me...
Okay.
Il m'emmerde.
I might have something in my motor carriage we can use when you're done here.
I really didn't want to resort to this.
Oh, Lieutenant. Can I help you? Yes. Have you got it? Does that arrangement include you paying me game? Everything.
Mais frérot, t'es con. Putain, je te file 20 balles en signe de bonne foi si tu veux. Fils de pute, va. Eh putain, lui, il est enculé. Oh. Je te file 20 balles, gros. Je te file 20 balles, je t'en redonne 80 demain. C'est bon, gros, dose. T'as jamais... jamais un enculé qui a fait une ardoise dans ton putain de café, genre.
Does that arrangement include you? What about what I have been through, huh? You're not the guy.
Literary demotion.
Ouais, vas-y, laisse tomber.
One. Not until you.
Okay.
I really.
Ah, ça me fait chier de solliciter Kim pour ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il m'a donné qui m'a pas donné des thunes, quand même?
Inside, you see a set of steering levers, a radio.
I have something here we could sell.
Transport enclosure. The cage at the back of the motor carriage looks rather
I confiscated this for a little while back. We can take them to the pawn shop down by the Martin. There are spinner hubcaps, frivolous things you put on your wheels. When the wheels come to a stop, the caps keep on spinning. A couple of weeks ago, I stopped a young man for going slower than the speed of traffic. Turns out he was some coalition official's son and high.
C'est vrai que c'est pas de la corruption, ça?
I don't know. Is it? I was going to take them into evidence, but they weren't necessary for conviction. He never asked for them.
Mon petit enfoiré.
No, that would be silly. I don't know why I kept them. It doesn't matter. I couldn't put them on this MC.
Ça serait vraiment cool.
flashes a smile, barely visible in the dark.
As I said, they're useless anyway.
But thank you.
Putain.
Yes, the bird's nest.
Oui, on l'a vu.
Near the canal. We've been there. If I'm not mistaken, it should be open. All right. Let's not take them now. Then come back once we realize.
Sounds likely.
Ah ok, j'ai pas le choix, frère. Ah, en vrai j'ai le choix, hein. Je pourrais les trouver les 60 balles. Hein. J'ai 20 balles, avec ça 13. Putain mais ça vaut que 3,20€, gros, c'est une catastrophe. Je suis obligé de vendre mon mémoire filamentaire de mes couilles m'habitent. Hein. Mais en fait, il y a bien un moyen, il y a un lampadaire à vendre à 600 balles, ou alors c'est le plus grand bite de l'histoire, mais... Tiens, file-moi des thunes, toi.
It's raining again. It was clear, just I'm a nighthawk.
There's a little meanness in that smile.
Il a kiffé mon... Ah, j'ai pas trop le choix, vas-y, on va vendre tes jantes.
Inside, you see a set of steering levers, a radio.
I have some
transport enclosure.
Ah, Kim, t'es le boss, hein.
This for a little while.
The lieutenant.
$200 l'overreact que j'ai fait. Mais c'est vrai que putain de 200 là, je suis tranquille avec ça. Hein. Mais je sais pas si me les prendre à ce prix là. Ah, j'ai oublié de vendre mes bouteilles, mais je serais pas allé loin. Attends, j'ai combien dans mon sac? 18 bouteilles, frère. J'ai même pas de réal là. Genre.
If you don't mind, please put the flashlight.
Ah merde.
Photonic sensitivity is not generally acknowledged.
Put the flashlight away, officer.
C'est marrant qu'ils réagissent à ça. Excuse-moi, chef.
Greetings on this fine night. What brings you here?
Ouais, pourquoi t'es encore ouvert,
The
enfoiré?
pawn shop is always open. Someone else came here earlier today asking the same question.
This is a pawn shop.
Je lui ai pas posé la question, quoi.
The lieutenant shifts from one foot to.
You and I don't like keeping. She did true.
Bon, c'est
Right, so
pas grave.
let me get this right. In that case, she'll be happy to get a visit.
My
A needle in a.
Of course. I doubt it. I do.
He doesn't know anything.
He's been.
There was something awfully deliberate.
They weren't, but I bowed out.
Ça, tout ça, on
It
a
was
eu, hein.
all very. He tried.
So
As a, they weren't the most.
Depuis,
but I
durant
bowed.
San Diego
It
que
was
j'ai
all
déjà fait.
He purchased a.
He nods. The pawn
Tout ça, on a
broker's
déjà
gaze
vu.
is already fixed on the...
Sure thing. Sure, man.
Okay. Looking at his wares,
Yes, we'd like to sell these hubcaps.
Roy takes the hubcaps from...
Yes. These are very, very good.
No one was defrauded or jumped. Are you sure?
Of course. I meant no offense.
Thank you. Here's the 60 real you need for your bill. Do not.
The rest is for him. To compensate for the pain of being separated from his radiant...
C'est un frère quand même, hein. Mais bon.
Anything else you think?
Après,
you've
au moins,
said?
il se fait.
Oh, a photic.
You have absolute...
So, what do you... A pin from... Sure. I can keep it.
Au moins, il s'est
Sure
fait quand
thing.
même 140 balles.
So,
Alors
do
qu'il
you
savait pas
want
quoi en
to
foutre,
sell
tu vois,
anything?
juste il se branlait devant, quoi.
Another time.
As you turn, a bright light catches your eye. So, from a distant sunset, a stage light, flash for...
Ah, bah oui, en plus, c'est là que j'avais des
Nowhere
mouvements
in
superstar.
particular. It's just what... Yeah, you have. Yeah, this is the beginning of your... With a sudden flash...
Oh putain, mais j'en ai des trucs à rechercher là. Alors, ça me paraissait intéressant. Puis ça, en plus, ça, c'est notre rôle. Ah non, merde. Moins 2 logique, putain, fait chier. Mais ça, on l'avait vu, ouais. J'ai oublié de le redébloquer. Bah, tiens, ça dure qu'1 heure, on va faire ça. Ou alors on fout le 9h là, l'enculé de 9h là. On le balance parce qu'on va bientôt dormir. Et peut-être que ça marche dans la nuit. C'est ce que je me dis, hein. Bon, ok, j'ai pu payer cet enculé de garde de fils de pute de merde. Et finir la première journée. On aura fait des trucs, hein. On aura parlé à notre putain de poste. On aura examiné le cadavre de fond en comble. On a foutu l'enfoiré de cadavre dans le frigo. On n'a pas tout vu ce qu'il fallait sur le cadavre, mais on a parlé aussi à la conseillère de Wildpain, donc une partie de l'entreprise. Il va falloir qu'on trouve le Everard Claire, à mon avis, on aura beaucoup de trucs à lui dire.
Can I help you? Yes. Well. Great.
Ouais,
Thank you, officer. That's all I wanted. Payment for services rendered. The electronic lock to your room has been disabled. Please pay for each night in advance starting tomorrow. 20.
I'll take a room here too.
Of course. Always happy to have
Ça va, tu t'es fait
officers from
140
the
balles, tu vas te
RCM.
démerder. Donc 20 balles par nuit, ok. C'est cher, mais ça se trouve. Bah, j'ai déjà en main. Est-ce que je peux faire un truc avant, essayer de gratter le plus de temps possible, ouais. Tiens, bah en vrai, je vais lui rendre ton truc à elle. Je vais jamais m'en servir.
hope you were able to pawn that old trinket. Oh, thank you, dear.
Even the lieutenant seems...
Now, what else?
Ouais, c'est 10 d'XP, ça fait plutôt plaisir. Je pense que la plus-value est mieux. Après, peut-être que je peux me débarrasser de lui en lui disant allez, on va se coucher, frérot, et que moi, je vais aller parler à la vieille, parce que lui, il avait pas l'air très content que j'aille parler à la vieille. Hein.
The door is... This door, there is... You hear the shout. A tremendous loneliness comes over you. Everybody in the world is doing something without you. The door, still.
Ok, bon, c'est bon.
Yes? What do you want to know? No.
The lieutenant.
Good. Excuse. You have a distinctive way of walking. If I were to walk in front of you, I hope you don't take this the wrong way. It's just a collegial observation. They say it's a scene-clearing technique developed by one of your lieutenants.
Yes, but containers contain things.
I don't know. Containers...
Passing along frivolous interdepartment.
Ok, je sais pas ce que tu racontes, de te faire enculer. Je vais me coucher, mec, regarde, ma chambre, elle est en parfait état.
This is the door.
Just a moment. You had some questions earlier.
Ok.
The air outside is brisk. The lieutenant is silent for a moment.
Quoique m'a dit que je peux m'en débarrasser ce soir.
Where shall we begin? We should talk about the investigation, first and foremost. But I also remember you wanting to discuss the RCM? I have a cigarette every night when I go over my notes. It's something of a ritual.
Putain, mais c'est vrai que gros, je suis en putain de gueule de bois. File-moi une
I
clope.
apologize, but I only brought one with me. I have exactly one cigarette every night while going over my notes.
Il ment.
Yes, it's been a long and eventful day. We performed a thorough initial inspection of the victim's body. Then you shot the body down, which was quite a shot.
C'est vrai que putain, j'avais oublié ça, mais j'ai réussi à plier ce classique. Tiens, vas-y, je vais être sympa.
I admit I wasn't sure whether I should give you the gun, but I'm glad I did. Your shot, I still feel like we missed something. But at least the corpse has been refrigerated.
C'est vrai comment le corps est bon. En vrai, notre rôle, on n'a pas trop déconné. Hein. On a été bon, je pense. Hein.
Now, as for interviews, my list of people to talk to here in Martinez, I mean. I hope your confidence will. We weren't able to find the union leader, Evrard Clare, much less. We tried to interview the Wild Pines rep, but she asked us to do so. I have a feeling Joyce knows how dangerous the situation.
If Kim is emphasizing something.
Above all, though, today was exhausting. What's with all the running? You run a lot. Is that a standard Precinct 41 practice?
Bien dit.
It's impressive.
Je travaille pour le Z-Event. Hein. Je fais en gros là, tu vois, pour les 20 balles, les 20 réals qui me restent et pour tes enjoliveurs, je promets d'allumer Mario Kart. Pour 3000 balles.
Nice shoes, by the way. I like the green. Goes with the orange. They're quite limited, actually. The power officers of the Ravachol Citizens Militia
1000 réals, putain, c'est quelque chose quand même.
Is imposing fines of up to 1000 réals for offenses. The RCM's primary role is to ensure safety. We are not really yes, although indirectly, as citizens, officers of the RCM have been known to take bribes of less than the prescribed fine. We can arrest people, of course, but rather than bringing someone indirectly, it's preferable to serve a station closely. You can't. Those who don't show up become.
Ok, c'est vraiment, c'est des flics, mais très très limités quoi.
It's about power projection. Thus far, they seem to mostly show up.
Ouais, ils sont interdits bancaires, c'est pas non plus la folie. Hein.
As you may have gathered from the fact that we are expected to carry a record of our kills, like the one in the watermarks, we are permitted to use whatever force is necessary. You have to supply compelling evidence for why it was necessary. Not a good position to be in, by the way. Internal affairs handles these cases thoroughly, by cross-examining you for inconsistency.
Ok, donc ça a l'air d'une structure assez réglo quand même.
Which is for the best. We don't convict. We arrest and send them to coalition government courts in Courron and La Delta. The prosecution works off our testimonies and records, which is why it's paramount to keep them.
Donc en gros, il y a très peu de pouvoir, mais au moins, c'est très peu corrompu quoi. Évidemment, il y a des affaires de pots de vin, etc. Tu vois, mais ça demande quand même beaucoup d'organisation, beaucoup de paperasse, pardon. Et
yes, the RCM was formed by the coalition government.
Et ça dépend de personne quoi. Tu vois, c'est pas une milice privée.
So we did. Now we attempt to maintain that. Or perhaps it is better to say we were allowed to form. It's a point of contention whether the city be sentimental.
Ouais, ça a l'air plutôt créé par les citoyens.
The Morlinton leases us the right to keep the peace in this city. And
or if they think you do.
Ok, donc on est quand même sensible à ça.
The Moralist International are the world's largest political organization. You know who they are. They have been running this. They're a union of center-left and center-right parties across the Real Belt. Our coalition government is just one of its many projects. What do they believe in? They are Dolorians. They believe they continue the humanist project set forth by her.
Those others say they continue the humanist.
Interesting question. It's a blue forget-me-not. Their motto is
amour, compassion, autodiscipline.
Self-discipline. I think you can gauge what they want you to think of them from that.
Amour, compassion, autodiscipline. Donc c'est en gros très libéraliste, on laisse faire et chacun doit être gentil. C'est très très bizarre quoi.
Something almost self-explanatory.
A historic figure, the author of the modern age.
You
will have to look elsewhere for opinions. The moral intern are a fact. I try not to have opinions on facts until they change. Do you?
C'est bon, là déjà le truc de raciste là. Je sais même pas comment je l'ai développé.
In fact, we would need them even if you didn't think that way. We are in what is called the twilight of international law. The laws we claim to enforce come from the MI. Without spoken like a revolutionary, not a cop. But hypothetical aside, in Martinez we already are vigilantes.
The dying lights of the city shimmer. This soldier, an aerostatic passes overhead. The whiskers of...
They really don't like us here. And the mouth on that kid, Kuno. It's our fault for leaving this place to the dogs, to the Union, to the company. Not daring. We run this city.
Attends,
West of the river is RCM land.
Putain, c'est compliqué gros l'univers.
It's incredibly hard. Human beings are... But we are in control, and it's worth it. The organization works. Our systems work. If they didn't, the city would disintegrate.
Oui, bah continuons. Hein. Continuons sur le... Maintenant, on va être royaliste. Hein.
Probably not. Anyway, positive change happens slowly. Yeah, it's getting very cold now. Let's go. Yes?
Je vais quand même les reparler.
What do you want to know? You mean like a There's no 3 days ago. During that time, they didn't die. There's a strong prejudice against... That's right. Good.
No, he's having trouble processing it. A moment past.
Ok. 23h16. Et je me dis que peut-être que j'aurai des tests que je pourrais refaire demain parce que j'aurai plus la gueule de bois. J'ai gagné un niveau. On va assimiler autre chose. Tiens, celui-là, c'est le plus long. En fait, je me dis que les 3h25 ils vont compter dans la nuit, j'espère. Hein. Oh, je me suis débarrassé. Allez, casse-toi ta mère. Bon, je me casse devant lui. Hein. Je vais parler à la vieille. Et insulter Garp, vite fait.
Can I help you? Another thing. Yes.
Ouais, bon, j'ai rien à lui dire pour l'instant. Donc demain il m'a dit, truc important, parler aux représentants du putain syndicat Everett Garp qui fait partie de la mafia. Notre cadavre, il est dans le frigo, il est au calme. On peut le rejoindre par là sans passer par la librairie, ça c'est très bien parce que je suppose que je peux plus rentrer là. À 23h16. Évidemment. Je me bats toujours avec un pet de biche, hein. C'est pour intimider les fils de pute. Je comprends pas comment il faut courir en fait hein, dans le jeu par contre. Je tiens à le dire. Hein. Ah ça marche. Ah non mais c'est avec W. Oh les fils de pute. Écoute je vais jouer avec W. Heureusement qu'il n'y a pas besoin des APM de fou furieux. Putain c'est A du coup pour aller à gauche. Oh le désastre. C'est bon, je me suis débarrassé de mon cringos.
You're back. Good. What can I help you with? More lessons in basic reality? We're in Martinet. Martinet, you would be excused for not knowing about. I would be happy to. These are unimportant times, Detective. You for the big time. The revolution. It's quite easy. Je gagne du temps pour demain, hein, au moins comme ça. Parce que je sais pas s'il y a une limite de temps en fait. Je sais que mercredi il se passe un truc. On aura accès au village de pêcheurs, je sais pas quoi. Those would be the communists. Generally speaking, 40 million people got... Oh, and the anarchists too.
She likes the totality of it.
Indeed. They piled them in mass graves in Ozon. Did they ever? Before they got shot themselves, they shot 2 million people. Mais t'as parlé de combien de communistes qui étaient morts? 4 millions? 6 millions. Don't worry. Klaus Mazov shot 15 million people in the head. Oh, lots of people. Even the king got shot in the head, or thrown beneath a horse, or drowned. The real king abdicated and lived out a long and productive life as a venture capitalist in Grad. J'adorais ce roi putain de communiste. Which one? Actually, it doesn't matter. King Guillaume has always been my favorite. Him and tens of thousands
Le mec
of his wonderfully
il est
fascist
communiste, il
movement.
est libéral,
wild
capitaliste
time.
et royaliste. Hein. Le mec il comprend tout. Je fais ça juste pour les stats. Hein.
The liberals got the mineral rights. And by mineral rights, I mean everything.
Elle, si c'est pas une putain de libérale.
Liberals are usually middle-class people, detective. Or the remaining gentry.
Oui, des agents de
The
classe moyenne
beneficiaries
libéraux.
of the pre-revolutionary. Some were rich enough to stay with the constitution, with monarchy. Big mistake. Others bet on the revolution. They were called the... They didn't win so much as survive. We were the last ones...
We. She's one of them.
To foreign
Je savais bien.
intervention. The coalition. Those people really took the mineral rights. The liberals took everything that wasn't nailed to the ground. The coalition took the ground. The coalition of nations. Grad,
Ah, ok.
Mesk, Vesper, Messina, Oranje. The moralists believe in keeping everything exactly the way it is. They, at least not in the same manner and volume as the others. This is their zone of control. They embolden the...
The color of moralism is blue. The official motto of Moral Intern, or Moralist International, is a blue forget-me-not, a piece of grey sky. Unofficial.
A devout man of the center. Hard to come by. It's good to have someone who takes the turn of the century revolution. The revolution began in '02 on the Isla of... It wasn't a who, but a what. A pandemic of Zarat, a particularly virulent prion disease, which the authorities in Grad proved unable to contain. Then Mazel, it made people overthrow their governments. Indeed, Zarat is a highly infectious
Oui, bah dose hein,
microorganism
quand même.
that
Hein. Je pense
destroyed
pas que c'était ça.
graves.
Hein.
It was a funny time in history. They discovered transistors and rock music, but they didn't know.
From Revachol and
C'est vrai
Grad,
qu'une épidémie de prion,
not
c'est
far.
très particulier
The
quand même.
world managed to cauterize itself. Mazov's government was overthrown in '08, and the coalition crushed the Why? You and I, officer. Our lives in the zone, a city-state divided into free
En fait, vraiment le
market
principe
zones
d'avoir
under the
un jeu qui a vraiment son
interregnum of the
propre univers,
coalition
ses
of
propres
nations,
politiques, ses
and
propres
you,
événements
of course, the citizens' militia.
de guerre, de révolution, etc. Alors, je vais pas dire son propre fonctionnement parce qu'on reste dans la vie réelle où il y a libéral, communiste, gens de droite, d'extrême, de centre, de centriste, de raciste, etc. Tu vois. Donc on est quand même pas sur un truc qui est complètement à côté, tu vois. On garde quand même les bases qu'on a, tu vois. Mais c'est quand même très intéressant. Mais c'est quand même un gros bordel, tu vois, quand tu connais rien. Donc là, tu vois, là, j'essaie de comprendre comment ça marche, tu vois. Et je sais qu'à la fin du jeu, je vais pas comprendre comment ça marche. Hein. Mais au moins, je grappille les informations, c'est très intéressant. C'est quand même, ils ont construit un putain de truc, tu vois.
The clatter of typewriter keys fills the main hall of the reappropriated silk mill.
Ta gueule, esprit de
The zone
corps.
of control is the third
Il
incarnation
me
of
raconte de la
Revachol,
grosse merde. Qu'est-ce qu'il me raconte?
after the failure of the suzerain and the commune. Modernity. They developed the marvels of the inter-eastlery communication, telematic milieus,
51 minus 8 equals 43.
time flies. The 20s saw a decade of urban war, west of the river leveled, offshore platforms in flames. The 30s, things settled down in the 30s. Revachol East transformed itself into...
All that untaxed income must have fueled the new. That can only...
Yes, and quantitative easing. It was a market mirage,
Ouais, les 30
unfortunately.
glorieuses.
The 40s dispelled it. And Isla... Welcome to reality.
Oh putain, 70 points d'expérience, j'ai bien fait de faire ça quand même.
For her to be where she is, Wild Pines Group must have picked the right side.
Donc là, on est encore en reconstruction de guerre, sauf qu'on a plus les avantages parce que on commence à implémenter une structure où tu peux plus bénéficier des petits passe-droits qu'il y avait à l'époque, quoi.
They picked the winning side. That's why they're here, and others are not. Perhaps it wouldn't have turned out that way had I been in charge. I would have sided with the cannons. If you'd seen the calibers of the things, 10 of the 14 Indo tribes got it wrong.
C'était 14, d'accord.
Kupri, Tricentennial.
Donc au final, la révolution a gagné,
So I
quoi. C'est pas le roi, quoi.
I would have been in good company.
Enfin, en tout cas, c'est eux qui sont sortis gagnants, entre guillemets.
Good question. What would you have done differently?
Bah non, mais le Tsara, mes couilles. Moi. Oui, bah excuse-moi, Hitler.
So a quarter of humanity simply lost their minds.
Mais
And how would you
c'est
stop
fou,
a
en fait.
prion, a complex folding protein, unlife, with a technology 50 years ago, a
Tiens.
poor remedy for prion disease?
Putain, j'ai fait un truc Victor
That was the
Rebellera.
attitude of most of the more moderate Indo tribes.
Bah, une assurance, mais
particularly
une
those
assurance
who
maladie, c'est...
supported the king.
Ah, privatiser. Ah oui, j'avais pas vu, c'est ultra libéral, ouais.
Kupri, Resplendent, both gone now. Those that survive mended their ways. They are what they are, anyway. And
Not so fast. Who is she in all this? Ask her who she is. She owes you an answer.
Ah, je vois plus mes... Attends. Je vois plus mes chances de réussite, c'est quoi ces conneries? Bah, va te faire enculer.
I am the vilest of the vile. I am an ultra.
Dios milo, une libérale.
Yes. I am the nether creature of the forbidden... I can see you thought our kind were all extinct. After all, no sane person identifies as this any...
In her green eyes, you see a mixture of truth and self-satire. Decades of guilt and pride.
Je vous pardonne parce que vous
A
êtes charmante.
devil, who being of great charm and guile, sneaked
Ouais,
into the
l'accent pas
homes
obligé,
of
hein.
the godly.
That dialect is Ubi Sunt. You recognize it's a quote from somewhere. A play. Written.
Ah, maybe you remember more than you let on. I hope we're able to continue as friends, despite my scaly bulk. When the dust settled, the Liberals were the only ones left to clean up the mess. By virtue of their survival, they were, with due respect to our overlords, the Eternal Ked, I would not have relinquished sovereignty to the Coalition. Not here in Martinaise. Then for my daughters, we had an obligation to defend our sovereignty. We should have burned the whole Eastern
Ah, elle est
down
quand même...
rather than let them have it.
Elle est quand même très portée sur le royaliste.
Yes, I suppose I am. Perhaps.
You're no dummy yourself.
A smart boy getting smarter, yes. Whatever else I am.
Putain, mais je vois pas
I'm
mes...
also a mother. And a wife. Now, shall we...
6 kilometers southwest in the Valley of Dogs. Junior, to his left, his partner, Emil Mullins, whispers, yes, he lost his mind. Tilbrook answers, fingers on the trigger. We always...
You? You're an officer of the RCM.
Que suis-je?
Preciso Mundo. Nothing more nor less than the de facto law in... Yes, that means not de jure. The RCM acts in... The RCM's responsibilities are defined by the Emergency, Wayfarer and Aliments Acts, 3 pieces of legislation keeping the city in a, let's be honest, laissez-faire stasis to the benefit of foreign capital.
Honnêtement, je pense que je fais partie gentil. Hein.
Basic about your role, detective. It's true that yet, on the other hand, I know these people.
Ouais, c'est très centriste, tu vois, mais au moins, tu vois, j'ai peu de pouvoir et au moins, c'est pas très corrompu comme on en parlait tout à l'heure.
The post-revolutionary decade was a disaster for the coalition government. Revachol in the 20s was hell, especially on the west side of the river. They called it the international zone because no nation wanted to claim responsibility. So permit me to conclude with this. Who you are to me is the
C'est pas
police.
grand-chose. Hein.
And if those authorities drink so hard they need help recalling the basic term, nothing more nor less.
Ah oui, merde, on en a
Yes,
parlé. Oh putain.
that permit. And if those a bird, a sphenicid, of course you're not, my dear. I'm just terrible at This is the pier of Route or 2. A pre-revolutionary tenement. Old buildings are called tenements, you see. and new buildings. Bâtiments. This one used
Ok,
to be
donc
8
ils
to
sont
10
pris des gros coups de
stories
canon
tall.
dans leur grand-mère.
A real high-rise
Donc
by
là
the
je suis à
standards
Brest.
of the
Donc
last
en
century.
gros, Révachol,
Built to mirror
c'est
the
Brest.
skyscrapers across the bay in the delta. That was before the war, of
Là tu vois,
course.
je me fais un petit aperçu, je visualise, je conceptualise.
Mostly the urban middle class, I believe. This was
Splat, splat.
wonderful.
Donc ouais, elle va m'assassiner dans la nuit, donc j'ai pas fait de lui parler.
The girl in the old lady rags. Ah, yes. There's something very
Merde, attends.
satisfying. The girl looks like a sullen and rebellious. Yes. You and I belong to the supraculture. We're common, the herd. The music on the radio.
marginal,
she
ouais, ça peut
prefers
dire
a
que je suis une
fantasy
marginale.
world, an infraculture with its own dress code and vernacular. It is an illusion. Young people who dye their hair funny colors and wear old people's clothes. All right. What next?
Suddenly, you're not so sure you're part of the supraculture.
And what would that be?
Le disco.
I can see that, yes. I dabble in those dark art. Nothing infra about disco, baby. Those days are long behind me. And even in the early 30s, I would say I was more of a new girl. Disco was a minor, but still enjoyable facet of
Donc
the
mon
whole
personnage,
thing
il a
for me.
connu entre guillemets on va dire, vu son âge, la fin de l'ère révolutionnaire, donc la reconstruction, etc. Où il y a eu l'équivalent des 30 Glorieuses, donc Paradis sur Terre, etc. Développement du disco, etc. Et peut-être qu'il est aussi tombé derrière, il y a eu une phase de grande dépression, etc. Machin truc. C'est peut-être ça qui l'a conduit dans l'alcool aussi, quoi. Ah, c'est compliqué, hein. J'avoue que j'ai pas encore tout ce qu'il faut. Hein. Putain, c'est
New.
complexe.
A cultural era. And the name, it involved lots of partying, as you might imagine, and champagne-colored everything. By the looks of it,
Ouais, ça, je suis quelqu'un de tortué.
you're much more grounded. A serious detective on a case.
The strange coldness, the doubt is fully formed in your head. The alien feeling.
Ah, je dois pas mais ok.
Glad to have been of his.
Je dois avoir le déjà vu. Bon, écoute, minuit, je vais me coucher. Je suis à combien de points XP? Ok, j'ai un point XP. Bah vas-y, bah, tu me mets le déjà vu, fils de pute. Ah, mais je suis en train de le chercher. Bah, superstar, voilà, très bien. En plus, ça me fait un malus d'enculé, donc. Oh, à minuit 2, c'est bon, on va se coucher. On a réussi à faire parler le truc. Demain, l'objectif, c'est au moins de parler au fils de pute de Monsieur Evrat. Et le lendemain, on aura le quai qui va s'ouvrir, donc on aura accès au village des pêcheurs et tout le bordel. Donc je sais pas ce qu'on va trouver là-bas. Je vais quand même ranger mon enculé de biche parce que je pense pas que je vais dormir avec ça. Putain, mais pourquoi il court pas? Putain, je suis obligé d'utiliser les touches de mes couilles là. Ah putain, c'est horrible. Horrible. C'est WASD hein. Pour comprendre pourquoi je galère. Hein. Ah, tout le monde s'est barré là. Bon, Garp, une petite bière.
Can I help you? Another thing,
Bon.
yes.
Excuse-moi. En tout cas, je suis content, j'ai les thunes pour le payer demain. Putain, fait chier sur la première run, j'avais réussi à esquiver. Mais je pense que je me serais quand même fait baiser, mais. Tiens, je me demande si. Y'a pas des bouteilles à rafler là dans le coin? C'est quand même 10 centimes. Hein. Ah tiens. Je peux ramasser ce putain de bouteille? Bah non. Ah si, celle-là si. Comme ça on range un peu l'appart. Parfait. Là aussi. Ah putain, dans mon appart, vous inquiétez pas, j'avais du stock pour ranger. Hein. Là. Et dans ma baignoire, pareil que j'en avais aussi. Bah voilà, là je me suis fait au moins 50 centimes là.
A mirror hangs on the bathroom wall.
Ah tiens, intéressant, je peux utiliser ça.
A mirror hangs on the bathroom
Pourquoi je vois plus les chances de
The chain
réussite?
cutters slip out.
Bon écoute, je vais foirer de toute façon. Kim il dort à droite là, on est d'accord hein. Je vais le voir. Avec un pet de biche. « 25 bouteilles, donc 2 balles 50. Fils de pute.
The windows step. The morning.
Ça c'était par rapport à la... Bah vas-y on va se coucher, on va arrêter la vidéo.
The bed is cold and not particularly.
Ouais c'est bon, je sais pas quoi faire de plus.
The sheets feel at once coarse and clammy against your skin. The bed sags beneath your weight, and then.
Et je me dis que demain on aura des meilleurs jets aussi parce que... Parce qu'on aura plus la gueule de bois en fait, on a rien vu aujourd'hui. Après, vu son état...
Obviously, you're in bed with... Maybe it's the bed's fault. Its synthetic filling has separated into hard lumps.
Bah ouais, j'ai vomi dedans.
It barely covers your toes, stretching over your soft belly.
Bon, c'est une catastrophe l'hôtel. Hein. Et j'ai payé 60 balles pour ça.
It's a little better. Colors, scenes, and half-formed phrases still litter your mind. Something to do with... What was it that the lieutenant said? Union, your breathing steadies. A great silence washes over you, until your eyelids twitch in your sleep.
C'est vrai que le nid porte conseil, hein. Surtout je vais avoir des putains de bons d'indices. Ok. Je peux aller que là apparemment, vu que je suis dans Silent Hill. Ah. Bon, j'ai plus la même chemise. Hein.
Do you remember the scent of your childhood?
T'as l'image de fou.
What it says on the can, Harry. Answer the question.
Ok, bon, c'est confirmé, je m'appelle Harry.
You're not kidding anyone, Harry. Do you remember your wife's hand on your face?
Bon, ok, bon, ils en parlaient dans la première fois que je me suis levé, j'ai vraiment une histoire d'ex-femme. Hein.
You know who I am. I'm the bad day. Reality will turn into a grotesque nightmare. This will be... Do you remember the warmth of her thighs? Between her legs and in her mouth?
Orni mon enfoiré.
Oh no, funky baby, you stayed. It was the rest
main
of
sur la bête et main sur la bite. Ça c'est ce que j'aime entendre.
Tell me, where are your friends? Human beings have friends. No, it's gone. You found Elysium.
Oh putain, il a dit le mot. C'est quoi l'Elysium?
Everything. The Pale and the Isolas. On the surface.
Ah mais j'ai pas vu que c'était
the outer magnetosphere. Burning fury.
J'ai pas vu que c'était une putain de boule de disco.
Hey, you really dropped the ball, Harry.
4,6 milliards de personnes, c'est beaucoup quand même. Hein.
Billion people. No, Harry. You were just talking to your... You'll be back in those cold, stinky bars. You're not coming back from shit. Thrashing around in that high conduct. You're trying to what? I can't hear you. This is just a word dream now. Jumbled up garbage. The pictures are gone.
So something is wrong. Sleep shouldn't be this bad, this dry, this unnourishing.
Notre variété de gueule de bois.
Oh yes, party boy.
Oh non.
And it's worse than the one before. Just think of the shit you... Time to go to work in the shit factory.
Ça veut dire que là je vais me sentir encore plus mal que... Ok, j'ai récupéré de la santé. Ah non mais j'ai l'air aussi attaqué qu'hier en fait. 7h30, bonjour 2. Allez bah ça save hein.
Good going, buddy.
C'est dans ça qui se passera.
Yes. Wait till you see the one with the chick in it. It's gonna be a good one.
Putain, je suis encore pire que hier.
Morning than you did last night. You mean, why are you so tired? Too tired and down to even think? It is worrying. It's just that your heart has finally pumped all the speed out. You're too weak to say no now. Waking up is the worst part. Maybe somewhere down the line you could decline.
Il me faut du speed.
Speed is a potent central nervous system stimulant. It kept you... It's power, man. It's professionalism. It makes you feel like you're young.
Bah, j'ai fait un échec, le volonté m'a dit que j'ai pas le choix
Of
d'accepter.
course. Martinez, you and Speed will be happy again.
Putain, il me faut du speed pour m'en mettre bien. Bah vas-y, moi je vais arrêter là. Hein. Parfait, très bonne première journée. Donc bah là, l'objectif c'est trouver le l'enculé d'Evrat et trouver du speed. Bah, de toute façon, on voit la putain de... Oh, le nombre de trucs que j'ai à faire. J'en ai terminé quelques-unes quand même. Hein. Oh putain, la liste. J'en ai terminé un paquet, genre. Sa mère la pute. Ok, bah tâche du mardi, trouver du speed et le sniffer. Et parler au chef du syndicat. Les 20 réals, c'est bon, je les ai déjà. Ça là-dessus, on est tranquille. Merci, merci. Il faudrait que je finisse d'analyser mon enculé de registre. Donc ça se... Ok, ça ne marche pas quand il fait nuit, malheureusement. Donc je peux te dire que celui qui dure 7 heures... Pff, ça va être long. Hein. Celui-là, j'ai aucun truc négatif au moins. Allez, adios, je sais où là.